how to generate a co-parenting code in Widgetable app. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first head over to your Widgetable app and then tap on this friends icon. Here you can see the code. Simply copy it and the code is automatically generated for you or for each user, and you can just either copy the code and send them, or just tap on share and invite and share the link via Chrome or any of the platform you wish. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.